Hello everyone, this is Jaimala Ganguly from Dish Exclusives USA. This is my very first YouTube video and my my YouTube channel name is Dish Exclusives USA. The same name which I actually carrying in Facebook. And before starting my video, I would love to tell you something about my business. So I have a boutique in California, USA since 2019 mid, and I'm the founder, I'm the owner of this particular boutique, and I actually, design and I definitely bring my all the stuff from Indian each corner, and I have lot of collection of Indian traditional saris and blouses and some men's kurtas, but this particular videos I will make on particularly on saris, at least for now. With every videos I will come for some exclusives collections of Dish Exclusives USA, so that you can have the idea what kind of saris and what kind of collections we have. And about our page and WhatsApp details, everything is there in the description below, so you can definitely have that, you can definitely have a look on that part and contact us, and for any details, any price details and everything, just contact us and I would love to help you all. Okay, so today with the first video I'm starting with Benaras. Okay, so I will show just 10 exclusive Benarasi saris which I have in my collection. So first I'm quickly starting with a black one. So this is a beautiful pure Katan Benarasi. As you can see, this is a black, and this is the beautiful design, like kind of Paithani design they have weaved, but it's not Paithani, particularly not Paithani design. It has a contemporary look. So this is how, just a So this is the pallu. This is the pallu. You can see a beautiful, pink and sky color mina with copper zari weaving. The leaves and everything is going on to copper zaris, and this has a beautiful brocade achal which we call palla also, and this is how the border is going all over the sari. So when you will wear this sari, will goes like this. Okay, this is how you will look with the sari. So this is the achal, a beautiful one with this at least 7 to 9, like 9-10 inches big border. A beautiful two kind of borders as you can see here. So this is one border, and then top of that they have made this weaving with the mina flowers and leaves, and then this small border you can have on the upper portion. So this is how the smart copper look Benarasi silk, the sari number 1. And please, if you guys are interested, you can definitely message me, or don't message me, WhatsApp me on 669-249-5515. This is my WhatsApp number, and I am actually based in USA, and the shipping is available in Canada and USA only. Okay, and everything like the shipping charges, everything I will describe later. So this is how the sari number 1 will come. Okay, and this is on pure Katan silk Benarasi, and this is the blouse piece as you can see. Okay, this is the blouse piece, a beautiful one with the same pattern. Okay, next one is the yellow one with the orange border, because we all know, Bashant Panchami, like which we call in Bengali Saraswati Pujo, is coming, And we all love to wear some yellow colors. So this is a beautiful, tomato orange color border with a absolutely beautiful bright yellow color Benaras. So, and now I'm coming closer to show you the motifs. Okay. And this is the beautiful, very nice, as you can see, it has a pinkish kind of shade, a dual tone, and this is the same pattern which you just have seen on the pallu, on the border, sorry. So this is the same way the Banarasi blouse will come. Okay. Next one. This is the beautiful, my very favorite, absolutely pure brocade Katan silk Banarasi, and oh my god. So this is how the sari actually look. See, this is, so it has a orange, like rustic orange selvage, and top of that you will have this border. The same border is coming in the bottom portion also, and this is the pallu, a very small pallu, but all over the sari has self brocade work. And now this is the time to show you close look. Okay, so this is our sari number 3, a beautiful pure Katan brocade silk Banarasi, and this is the blouse with this one. You can definitely mix and match with some rust color sleeveless or some brocade blouse also, and it will really look good. Otherwise, you can make this blouse with some full sleeve or something like that, or if you prefer to go for a sleeveless one, that also will work perfectly. So this is how the blouse piece will go, and this is sari number 3 for episode 1. Okay. Now here is another one. I really love this one. So this is our very favorite Taj Mahal. So this is how the sari will come. Look, the border, the below portion, the border is all over has this beautiful Taj Mahal weaving, and with this you will get this brocade achal with little small tiny Taj Mahals, and the whole sari weaved with lot of small flower. And this is a beautiful bottle green color, absolutely beautiful. And this shiny, which the zari you are seeing, it's not too much shiny, which will give you some discomfort in your eyes, no, but it has a beautiful, very sophisticated shine, and it's not exactly yellowish gold. It has a very fine whitish gold color. The the border and the weaving, the zari actually. Now this is the time to show you the closer look. Okay, so I guess you just understood how the sari will look on you, and this is absolutely beautiful one, a designer one on Taj Mahal, and this is our sari number 4 for the very first video. Okay, and again our page name is Desh Exclusives USA. Guys, it will be wonderful if you subscribe and like our page for the next, so that you can have all the notification, like when we will come for the live or when we will have our next next YouTube videos. So you will get to see and you will get to know everything about our page. Thank you. And this is the blouse piece with the very beautiful Taj Mahal again. So if you make a big sleeve one, it will look too good. Otherwise you can definitely have this on your back. So this is how the blouse piece will go with this beautiful pure Katan silk Taj Mahal. Okay. Our very next number, I guess 5. Yes, so very next sari, it's a beautiful combination of blue. It's a midnight blue, like it's not midnight blue, it's a kind of navy with midnight blue shade, like it has a glaze, and with it has a light peach color border. This is the the best thing about this particular sari, the color combination. I just loved this one. So this is how the sari, just see how the sari will come and how you will look, how dashing look you will get. And trust me, whatever complexion you have, you will look fantastic on each saris, trust me. Because what I believe that it's not the complexion, it's not the color what you are wearing, but it's the confidence what you have, which actually define you. So don't think twice, if you like something and then you are thinking, oh my god, maybe it will not not look good on me or something like that. Don't think that. If you like something, take it. If you like something, do it, because that's the confidence which will give you that energy, that style within. Okay, so this is the sari number 5 with blue and the peach color combination, and this is also on pure Katan, and here is the closer look. Okay, so this is the number 5. Yes, number 5, and pure beautiful Katan silk Benaras again. And for other details, I will love to hear from you on my inbox in Facebook, or otherwise you can definitely WhatsApp me on 669-249-5515, and the USA code is +1. Okay, so you all guys know, I believe, and again I'm mentioning that our shipment is only available in all over USA and all over Canada. Okay, so this is the blouse piece with the same pattern, same design which you will get on the border. So this was sari number 5. Next one is a beautiful one with all over Alfi borders, and this is again fine katan silk, and just see the look. It's actually a very beautiful, very unique, and almost which actually, you know, this is a sari which nowadays you actually won't see this kind of design very, you know, very soon, very often, because these are the design you know, which we have seen our grandma, our, you know, dadis, nannies, they used to wear this kind of design. So it has beautiful minadari, you know, like minadar Alfi butas, like the peacock and the you know, like what say, like the trees and everything are branches, branch of tree. So this I'm coming too close to you, and this is how the sari palla will go, and this is the pallu, and this is the border. Sorry, this is the border and this is the pallu. And now first see the sari, how it will look on you, how beautiful peach color. And about the minadari, now I'm come close to you. Okay, so here was the look, the, you know, very integrated weaving which I have just shown you now. So this was the sari number 6 from the first video of our YouTube channel. So this is katan, again on pure katan Alfi butas with lot of minadari work. And this is the beautiful blouse. With this, you can see the butas all over, just gone to this sari, and this is how the sari is. It's a golden peach color, a beautiful one, and trust me, whatever I know, like the complexion you have, you will look gorgeous. And now another beautiful and my very favorite pure brocade Paithani Tanchui. So this is a beautiful sari. Just see the color first. Oh. So this is a beautiful light green with all over brocade Tanchui work. I'm showing you the work later, and with a silver zari with Paithani weaving. Lot of Paithani weaving in all over the sari, and this is how the sari will go when you will wear it. So this is the and you can, how come I miss it? So this is a salvage. It's a light, you know, magenta color. So it actually, you know, it's giving a better look to this sari. And this Paithani border, it has like lot of color on the flowers, Paithani flowers. So it has blue, it has then copperish orange, and then red, and then lot of and then Rani color also. So it's a beautiful, very classy sari, and definitely you can wear, you know, this is the blouse piece. Let me show you first. So this is the blouse, and you know what, with this sari, if you make a collar blouse, a smart collar blouse, it will look fabulous. It will look so stylish. So this is the blouse piece for this, and this is the sari, and this is the all over white silver brocade work pallu. And now I'm showing you closer look. I'm sure you are like feeling awesome after seeing the closer look of this one. And if you want to know more about this sari, just inbox me or WhatsApp me. I will love to hear from you. So this is sari number 7, pure Tanchoi brocade Paithani absolutely from Benares. Okay. So this is now our very favorite one. I know you guys have seen some of them in website too, but this is first introduction. This is the Kashi Ghat. As we all know, at least many of us know right now. So this is a Kashi Ghat on pure black, black katan silk. Now the funda is for this one. As you see, I am pretty much sure that you have seen some Kashi Ghat saris, which have only the borders and nothing in the body. So now this is the main thing which we have, Trishul and Domru from Lord Shiva on all over the sari. So this is how the sari will go, and as you see, the upper border also quite big one, and the lower border also have 2 weaving. One is the ghat, like whatever the thing we have in the Banarasi Kashi Ghat, and then Ma Ganga. So Ma Ganga in the below section, and then top of that you are going to get the ghat. So it's a beautiful design all over the sari. This is how our Kashi Ghat will look on you. This is how, and this is the again brocade palla. And the main part, what about this one? The sari actually have lot of zari they have used to weave. For the Ma Ganga weaving, they have actually used white and little like what I just have described about the other sari. So this zari also it has shine, but the shine actually is a very classy one, very not that much glossy, but it has a fantastic sophisticated shine. So this sari has, particularly this sari has 2 kind of zari weaving, as you can see, one silver and then one gold zari, and these all are pure zari, let me tell you. And this is how a beautiful copperish gold color brocade palla you will have. And now you are going to get the closer look. Guys, I would love to hear from you, and please let me know how you are, feeling after seeing my stuffs. And I would love to hear, like, if you have any kind of suggestions for me to better my next videos. So that will also, I will definitely want to know, and I believe that you will definitely write me and comment me, and please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Okay, and this is the blouse piece, which will have the same kind of golden copperish kind of shine, the same tone, and this is also have a brocade weaving all over throughout. And so this is the sari number 8, Kashi Ghat, with Domru and Trishul of Lord Shiva. Another one, it's a beautiful and very unique, trust me. This is Minadari, and like let me just introduce, let me just have give you some description about this particular sari. So this sari has quite lot of different kind of weaving. So first see the sari. So this is how the sari is coming. It has a patterny pallu. Again, it has a Mughal weaving, like a beautiful, which we, if you see here, this kind of design which we see generally in the, in the time of Mughal, and here they have used some geometrical ikat kind of pattern. So this sari has beautiful three different places weaving style, and this is so beautiful, so integrated. See, and this is a very typical Banarasi border which we get on all over our Banarasi saris. And honestly, I love personally I love some very typical kind of Banarasi weaving, because that somehow, I know, it's like showing, okay, you are wearing some Banarasis. So yeah, of course, like nowadays we have a lot of Banarasi style, lot of design which are coming on Banaras, and so that not only on the only wedding, we can wear Banarasis in any given like any occasion. So it is somehow definitely good. So this is how the sari is coming, and it's a beautiful dual tone peacock throat, like which we call in Bengali Mayur Konthi. So this is absolutely peacock color, the base, and on that the zari is again a golden copperish, not shimmery, very sophisticated zari color weaved all over in the sari. And now I'm showing you a closer look. I'm sure you liked this one, right? You know what? Those who are just going to get married, trust me, this is a fabulous sari to wear in your D-Day or in the reception. So this is the sari jal katan with paithani, and then some ikat motifs weaving. And this is the blouse piece. Definitely, to wear this sari, you have to make this blouse. It's absolutely my opinion, but I think that will look perfect for this one. To give, a proper look to this particular one, I think you have to make this one. So this is how Again, the same kind of, which you have just seen, the same kind of typical Banarasi palla. So you will get the same kind of pattern on the sleeves. So this is the blouse color, so you can understand the body color. It has the dual blue and green tone. So this is number 9 sari, and a very favorite one. And the last one, guys, for today's live. So like, not like the video actually. So this is on pure magenta color, a beautiful Minadar. Just a minute. As you can see, these just have arrived, so I couldn't even get time to remove the papers from inside. So this, just see the pattern of the sari. So it has first golden zari weave, then green color thread, then silver zari weave, then orange color thread, like yellowish orange, then again gold, then proper orange, then silver, and then Rani color. So this is how the sari all over weaved. Okay, so this is how first it came like straight lines, and then from your chest portion you will get this pattern. So when you are wearing this sari, this will come like this. So this will come like this, and it has a beautiful Minadari, absolutely designer, Banaras. The pallu is very, very unique, trust me. And the border you have seen, and this is the pallu also. The same thing with a brocade design, like weaving in the middle, and top of that and below of that you are going to get this Minadari flowers. Lot of color they have used, and the magenta color, I know this is a beautiful color. It's kind of magenta maroonish type of sari. So here is the look of the sari, and now I'm going to give you the closer look. I hope you loved our first collections for the very first video, and this is the blouse which you will get with this beautiful sari. And if you make it, just see how it will look good on you. So this hairs also have a beautiful pattern, the same kind of flower brocade pattern which you will get here. The same pattern is coming on the blouse sleeves, and all over the blouse has this stripe. So if you are making this one, just see how beautiful it will look with the whole package. So these are the 10 saris for today's video, guys, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this 30 minutes also. And I would love to have you all, and I would love to hear from you all in this comment section. And also I would love to know if you guys have any kind of suggestion to give me. And it's in my in my mind that I will try to make videos very often, and with every videos I will come very exclusive and one kind of sari sari types, so that you can have the ideas, you can have all the, like, you can have the essence of all the varieties on that particular fabric, on that particular state of India. So and guys, those who are new here and don't know about Desh Exclusives, please go on Facebook and Instagram. We have our pages there, and all the like all the description you going to get in the below section. So join us, like our page, follow our page, and subscribe our YouTube channel. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much. Namaskar.